Kia ora and welcome to CareerCentral. This platform is supporting students, teachers and caregivers to plan and manage career pathways. So basically, for you as a Newlands College student, this platform will allow you to start exploring what you might want to do when you leave Newlands College. It will ask you certain information, you will need to input some information, and actually put in information of co-curricular groups that you participate in, what volunteering you do, what interests that you have, what values that you have, to really start exploring what does life look like for you after Newlands College and what you might need to do to do that future job that you are interested in. This platform will be with you for your whole time at Newlands College. It will assist you in planning what your future looks like. And also the platform will change every year that you're here at Newlands College. So there will be different aspects, different questions that it will ask to ensure that you are progressing and exploring the different opportunities that are available to you here at Newlands College to start thinking about your future pathway. So to start, what I would like you to do is if you could go to student login, and then you will need to click on select your school. You will then need to find Newlands College and then click next. It will then ask you to sign in with your Google account, and you will need to sign in with your school Google account to allow you to then open this program. Once you have done that, you will find a dashboard that looks like this.